Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Lloyds Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Lloyds Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.lloydsbank.com. Just click on that first link. You'll be taken to the official website of Lloyds Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that button. Now over here you can either log in with your personal account or your business account. For now guys, I'm going for personal account. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Lloyds Bank. Now over here you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show button to see your password. Just click on remember my user ID for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you continue button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgotten my login detail. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.